what's your favorite part about just the day-to-day? Like getting out here with the guys, hanging out in this cornfield?
Yeah.
What does it for you? Your family? What keeps you waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning every day to cook beans?
Yeah, man. My family and teamwork, man. It doesn't just take one guy. It takes a group effort, you know, for everyone to do their part to get this done. I'm Kevin Ramirez. I'm a certified drilling fluids engineer for DrilRite Chemical. Engineering, pushing 3 years. Overall in the drilling industry, about 10. We're out here working with Dakota Utility, drilling 1,200 feet under the Little Arkansas River. Oh yeah, Dakota Utility, good group of guys, man. Everyone works their hardest to get this done, day in and day out. And a lot of these guys have actually worked here for many years. These guys are loyal to Dakota. They take care of them, so they stick around and they make sure they get it done for them. Well, I first started working with DrilRite, just kind of contracted for them here and there, and that turned into a full-time gig, and here I am. I would say my specialty would be quick thinking, man. Giving it a solution, coming up with something to get it done efficiently and as productive as possible. Usually I'm teaching them to check their viscosity, maintain it, what they got to do to help me help them, you know, have a good drilling mud so we could be successful. Make sure they're maintaining their viscosity, mud weight, cleaning off the screens. That's their main concern up on the reclaimer, and then I just take over from there. So usually we're taking measurements and we're watching trends, watching numbers, see where it's going, and keeping it within parameters that we're given. What we bring as mud engineers versus just being someone mixing on the reclaimer is that we're taking the time to check the mud and make sure that it's not just mud, but that it's good drilling mud. It's working for the type of ground that we're drilling in. So you could be drilling in sand 1 minute and then you get 100 feet out and now you're in straight clay. So you got to be able to adapt and know what you're doing and adding to the mud for it to work in those drilling conditions. What I see the difference in between SureFlow and your typical mix is that it's so simple. It makes it easy for the newest guy to just hop on a reclaimer and you give them a recipe, a pretty straightforward recipe, and they're not guessing how much of each product they gotta use. It's one sack for everything. So to get the similar result, you usually mix in 3 or 4 chemicals plus your gel. SureFlow has better suspension, carries the cuttings out of the hole, and when you're stopping in between connections, your cuttings aren't just dropping to the bottom of the board. They stay in place, and as soon as you fire back up, it's flowing the material right out of the board. You need a Spanish-speaking fluids engineer that can communicate well with what a lot of the industry is Hispanic people. Just reach out to DrilRite and I can be at your board. Para todos mis amigos, si necesitan ayuda en sus proyectos, contáctenos y nosotros les podemos ayudar. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road somewhere. Thanks for watching, and we'll see.